So once the conversation gets closed after 24 hours, you can send a utilitarian message to the customers. So this is an open conversation template that we have created for the easiness of our customers. And these are 1, 2, and 3 variables. So just by mapping these variables 1, 2, and 3, you can send these customers messages, and the probability of these customers receiving these messages are very high. And you can map these variables manually also, or through contact fields, or through events data. So that is done, and you can send these messages to the customers by clicking on Send to Sushant. Okay, and once that is done, the customer receives these messages, and as soon as the customers, and as you can see, the customer has received the message. And once the customer clicks on the button, the conversation will get opened up, and then you can start having a conversation normally, which means you don't need an approval from Meta side to talk with the customer, but at least for 24 hours. Okay, you can use any other template for that matter for open conversation. This was just an example which we have created, as I said, for the easy access of our customers. Okay, see, right now I've written Hello Sushant. These are the notes section. These on the reply section. I can choose any of the templates by clicking on this button. I can map the variables as we did in the previous template itself. So just by mapping these variables and clicking on Send to Sushant, I will be able to send, again, a message to the customer through this particular